Hey everybody, this is Brad from Johnson Small Engines. I have a D140 in front of us here. I'm going to show you how to take the mower deck off. It's in for service. First thing we all know is we have to put the mower deck down as far as it'll go. And we have the height adjuster here on the left hand side. If you have a concrete or asphalt, that's the best place to do it. If you have to do it out in the grass, it's a little bit hard to slip it out from underneath. But put the mower deck all the way down. Now this has an electric PTO, which means that there's a switch on the top that you have to push up. So the belt that's on here is actually spring loaded, and you want to release the spring tension and take the belt off first. Alright, so I get to the left side here, and there's a lot of spring tension here. I mean, it's weak, but I mean, this is the easiest spot to take it off at. You can put a wrench, sometimes you can put a wrench on the pulley. As you can see that pulley moving, and you can actually move this pulley, but it's easy enough if you're strong enough. You just pull the belt down around the front of the PTO. Now if you pull it, you're going to actually move it, so you're just moving it around the front of PTO, and eventually, and be careful you don't get your fingers pinched, it'll actually drop off the front nice and easy. All right, and there it is. So that wasn't too bad. And then when you go to put it back on again, you can put something behind this pulley and try to move this pulley up forward. And you can sometimes, now I was born with the one hand, we all know, but you can pull this forward, and then you start walking it around again, and you might be able to even get this thing to start on its own. And then you pull it back around, and there you go, it's back on again. So that wasn't terrible. Some of these are really tight. This one's not so bad. And it's not that there's something wrong with it, it's actually fine. It's just the tension on the spring isn't as taut as a lot of them are, but it's fine, it's the way it works. So I'm gonna retake it off here. All right, so we're gonna wrap it around there, drop it down. Now it's off. Mower deck's all the way down. I'm gonna start with the front pin. Again, newer style pin. You just pull out the front, make sure you don't lose it, the little washer. And then you have the rod that you would definitely, it's like a little puzzle. Take it out, wind it around. I try to take these out of the front just in case you get on your tractor and you try to drive it away with the mower deck off. I've seen these things get bent many times, so take this off. And just make sure when you put it back on that you make sure you're going on the right side. Usually you'll see wear marks of a washer or something, so just when you put it back on, and the video will help too, just want to make sure you put it in this way and not this way. That's incorrect, all right? So you just want to make sure you put it in the right way. Put it up the side. We have two hangers in the back side of this. We have one right here. You're gonna take the pin out, take the washer off. Sometimes these don't have washers, sometimes they do have washers. If they're supposed to have washers, it's a good idea to have the washers because you'll have more wear and tear if you don't use the washers. This guy here, the hanger's in the back. Just move it up, take the washer off. Now I'm gonna pick up the mower deck to put the less stress on this so it'll get loose. All right, so then you just drop it off. Now these, you're gonna turn them sideways and they'll come out right here like that. All right, that's how you take them out. Go around to the other side. Same thing, we got the center arm. Take the pin out, pull the washer off, put the arm down, and pull this rear pin off. And I'm gonna lift the mower deck up again with my lift arm so it loses a little bit of tension on there. Now, these arms are designed to sit a certain way. This is the way it's supposed to sit. Don't have them sitting the other direction, that way. You want to have them sitting facing back this way. Okay, when you rehook them onto the machine itself, these arms should be facing that direction. And to get this off the mower deck, you just turn it sideways, and it should come right out like that. It's like a little puzzle. Come in, come back on, hang them back up. All right, so now we have all the hangers out. You put the mower deck all the way back up again, which gets your arms out of the way. Even though they're probably not in the way right now. And you slide the mower deck out. So we just slide it out. Now this is also 48-inch 3-blade system on the D140. Not sure if they actually have smaller. They might have smaller decks, like the 42 goes on here. So this is the version of the 48-inch. It's got 3 blades. And basically that's how you take the mower deck off of a D140. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.